garage. If it ain't tough, then it's not worth building. My name is Chris. Today, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be working on a 2016 Ford Mustang EcoBoost. We're going to be installing the variable valve timing solenoids, and I'm also going to show you guys where they are located. And I know a lot of you guys have been asking, where are they on the forum? So today, I'm going to do that pleasure for you guys and show you. So let's go ahead and kick off this video. Ordinary to get to you guys' variable valve timing solenoids, there is a few things that we have to go ahead and do. And yes, you're probably looking at the top of your engine going, where the hell are these VVT solenoids? Well, don't worry, because Tough Builds is about to show you exactly where your variable valve timing solenoids are, just in case you have to replace them. Let's go ahead and start on loosening the 4 bolts that hold your ignition coils. And we're going to come to all the red tabs. We're going to push out the red tabs. We're going to grab the back side of it on the black side and go ahead and So all you're going to do is go ahead and take out all the bolts that you just unloosened and come back. All the screws holding down your guys' ignition coils should be removed at this point. You're going to go ahead and start taking out your ignition coils one by one. You're going to have to disconnect every single wire that is on the top of your valve cover. That includes also unplugging your throttle body, your map sensor, as well as your purge valve. Black tab on the purge valve, then you have a black tab on your map sensor. Take it off from the runners and push down on the black tab here. So red tab right here, pull it down, press on the black. It's actually a lot easier if you remove your intake air box. We have to go ahead and disconnect this hose right here that is on your valve cover. So what you're gonna do is there's 2 black little clamps, they have grooves on them. You're gonna go ahead and push those in and pop it off. Don't forget to disconnect that wire as well. We have 2 more cords that we have to disconnect, and this one is gonna blow your mind. Welcome to reality, ladies and gentlemen. These right here that are sitting right up in the front are your variable valve timing solenoids. And you're gonna go ahead and disconnect those at this pleasant moment. You're gonna pull up on all of the hangers that hold it onto the valve cover. You will have to use the panel removal tool to get most of these off, because yours are going to be a lot harder to get off, especially knowing that you've never done this before. There is 14 bolts that hold your valve cover. Then you're gonna have 2 per. That all your bolts have been removed and they're all sticking up. Make sure that they're all sticking up and not in the holes. You're gonna go ahead and pry up on them. Are you stuck looking for mirrors that will suit your needs and your wants? Well, no fear, because SumaProformance has your back. No need to keep looking. These blue tinted ceramic coated mirrors will not only help you see the road better, but adds that dying look that everyone wants. Easy to install guides here on YouTube or SumaProformance videos themselves. These mirrors have 3 trim levels you all can choose from to make your car stand out on the road. 3 trim levels are gonna be 1. Blinkers, 2. Defrost, 3. Monitor lane assist watch that happens right in the corner if your vehicle is equipped with this feature. The 3 trim levels will not only make your car look better, but make your friends wonder where you got these mirrors. Always tell them SumaProformance has their back. Save yourself 10% off by using my code, toughbuilds by clicking the link down in the description down below. Go ahead, check them out, fix your ride, make it look better. Go ahead, I'll wait. Cover right here. It is super duper easy if you lubricate the VVT solenoids with oil first, and they will pop right off. That's all you need, is to make sure that you lubricate the seals. VVT solenoids do not go anywhere. They are bolted down into the cylinder head. Make sure that you don't try prying on those. It's the cover that you just want off. And well, bam, the last part is that you have to finagle with it to get it to release from the back side of your fuel, the high pressure fuel pump right in the back. It does get kind of caught up on it, but don't worry, you will get it out. Just be really cautious and really careful. Remember that it's plastic. You don't want to break it, you don't want to replace it. Once you guys remove your valve cover, you will see your two VVT solenoids sitting on the top right here. These are torqued down to a specific spec, which I will definitely fill you guys in. But just for the sake of it, I'm going to go ahead and remove mine, and we'll come back and I'll install them just for you. So that way you will know what the torque spec is for these, and you're also going to know what the torque spec is for your valve cover. 8mm is going to take these two off. And pull up on your VVTs. And there you go, guys. That is your variable valve timing solenoids. If you're doing this job, know exactly what you're getting yourself into. Removing this cover right here means that you got to replace the gasket maker that's in the back. And the reason for the gasket maker being in the back right there is because there's actually cracks that that cover does not cover. You want to basically make sure that you put some gasket maker where I'm about to put it. The torque spec on your variable valve timing solenoids is 70 plus 30 degrees. $30 degrees is going to be in the middle. Your 11th one's going to be right here. 12th is right by your fuel. 13th is going to be right here. And your last one, which is your 14th screw, gonna be right here in the back.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That is how you install variable valve timing solenoids on a 2016 Ford Mustang EcoBoost. Let everybody know by sharing this video to worldwide, so that way my channel can continue to grow and you guys can continue to have some better content to watch. Also, don't forget to smash that like button. If you want to smash the hate button, go ahead. I can't see it. Don't forget to leave a comment down on the section down below. Let me know what you guys thought about this video. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, there is a spot right there. Go ahead and check out my merch right there, Teesprings, down in the description down below. Don't forget to check that shit out. That shit's awesome. Also, the sponsor, make sure you guys go ahead and check that out. It's very limited and they are running out very, very quick. So you might want to scoop up some of those mirrors before they sell out. Make your ride stand out better. Make your friends wonder where you got them, and always tell them, what guys? There you go. So let's go ahead, let everybody know about also the brake pads. If you guys want to pick up some brake pads and some rotors, Sequence got your back too. Don't worry. But if you guys really want your car to look good, pick up some of those mirrors. My name is Chris, ladies and gentlemen. I will see you guys in the next banger.